Find the inverse of f of x equals 2 over 7x minus 10 over 7. All right, so the best way to find the inverse is I'm going to pretend that f of x is y for now, just because it'll make things look a whole lot nicer. I suggest that when you do problems like these, you do the same. The first step that you do is you swap the x and the y. That's step number 1. So y is now x, and x is now y. Now my job is to solve for this new y. So I have myself a literal equation where I have to get y all by itself. Step number 1, add 10 over 7 to both sides. Add 10 over 7 to both sides. X plus 10 over 7 don't combine, so I just have x plus 10 over 7. That's going to equal 2 over 7y. Now I still have to get y all by itself, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply both sides by this reciprocal here, which is 7 over 2. I'm going to multiply both sides by 7 over 2, so I've got distributive property going on, but that allows y to be all by itself. Okay, so y is now all by itself on the right. 7 over 2 times x is just 7 over 2 times x. 7 over 2 times 10 over 7 allows the 7s to cancel out. 10 over 2 becomes 5 over 1, which is just 5. So I get plus 5. Now what I'm going to do to make this look a whole lot better is I'm going to move the y to the left and move this guy over here to the right. 7 over 2x plus 5. Remember, I turned f of x into y, so I'm going to turn y back into f of x. But since this is my inverse, I'm going to make that f inverse of x equals 7 over 2x plus 5. That is my inverse function. Can't spell inverse function without fun.